Did you know there's a little Venice in the Philippines? Let's uncover more surprises.
Glide along the water at Venice Grand Canal Mall, where romance floats in the air amidst shopping bliss. Stand where heroes once stood at the Shrine of Valor in Bataan, honoring those who fought for freedom. Take a dip in the crystal-clear Kayangan Lake in Coron, hailed as the cleanest lake in the Philippines. Wander through the past at the historic Fort San Pedro in Cebu, a tale of valor etched in stone. Experience the vibrant Sinulog Festival, where streets burst into life with dances and colors. Soar high on the edge of an extinct crater at Tal Vista in Tagaytay, feeling nature's immense power. Lose yourself in the beauty of 100 Islands National Park, where every islet tells a different story. Indulge in the ultimate shopping spree at SM Mall of Asia, one of the largest malls in the world, under the glow of the tropical sun. Embrace peace at the tranquil Pearl Farm in Davao, an escape that soothes the soul. Cap off with the urban oasis of Greenbelt Park in Makati, where luxury meets nature. Follow for more.